To log in to iCloud email on Android, you will need to set up your iCloud account on your Android device. First, go to the Google Play Store and download the iCloud app or any other email client app such as Gmail or Outlook. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Add Account. Select Other or Personal IMAP and POP accounts. Then enter your iCloud email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your iCloud account, you will need to generate an app-specific password from the Apple ID website. To do this, go to the Apple ID website, sign in with your Apple ID and password, and click on Security. Scroll down to the Apps using iCloud section and click on Generate Password. Enter a label for the password and click Create. You will then be given a password that you can use to set up your iCloud account on your Android device. Enter this password in the email client app and click Next. The app will then ask you for the incoming and outgoing server settings. The incoming server settings for iCloud or IMAP Mail Me Com and the outgoing server settings are SMTP Mail Me Com. The incoming and outgoing server port is 993 and 587 respectively. The incoming and outgoing server encryption is SSL and TLS respectively. Once you have entered these settings, click Next and the app will verify your account information. If everything is correct, you will be able to access your iCloud email on your Android device. You can now send and receive emails using your iCloud account on your Android device. It is recommended to use a secure connection when accessing your email account to prevent unauthorized access. Also, make sure to keep your account information and password secure to prevent any unauthorized access to your account.